Adventures in daily life continue here for me in Cabo Verde. Boat maintenance and repairs, like I still got 3 more winches to service. And as well as keeping vermins and pests from polluting the insides of my kingdom. You know, I found out that cockroaches like to hang out in paper. And here I have all these papers. It's paperwork from the boat. And that's where I found them. This Barata venture is not so adventurous, but still part of the story. Like my wired keyboard, if it's Bluetooth or whatever, you have to charge it. And sometimes it's a pain in the ass to charge everything. I do have a Mac mouse, an old-fashioned one, and it works great. And of course, the Mac Mini here, which is fantastic. A couple of hard drives. Screen, Phone Cut Pro, the old version. Nice phone. What else do you need? Great stories, great adventures. That's where I hope to come in. I also have some cushions to fix, like this one. Pretty nasty, eh? So, I'm gonna have to go get the material and give it to a guy that fixes cushions. There's one here too to fix, and this one here, yes, cleverly hidden under a pillowcase. I'll show you why. The cushion has a little bit of a problem. Yes, too much time spent on my ass, too much time spent doing videos. So it's time to get this fixed. Meanwhile, let's put the pillowcase back on. It's pretty nasty. I still got some stuff to do in my teeth, some fillings to get removed and changed. My boom is still not ready. I went and checked on it yesterday and they're working on it actually. Well, guess what? I'm staying here another 3 months. I've just decided that. In order to stay here a little while longer, I've got to redo my visa. It's pretty easy. You have to go to the police with all your necessary papers, a copy of your passport, a copy of your credit card to show financial independence, vaccines like yellow fever they need here, as well boat papers, insurance papers, and that's it. And it costs $20 for an extra 3 months. I was there yesterday with all these papers. They have my passport. I have to just go and pay the $20 at the bank here with this piece of paper. Give it to the ladies there, and in a couple days I'll have my visa, which will be good for 3 months. I'm staying here, yes, a little extra time. It's December, might as well spend the holidays here. I'm trying to get Wendy to come and sail with me, and we still need to tie up a few things before she could hopefully do that. And me get myself in good shape and my boat in good shape, and hopefully we'll cruise out of here early next year. But let's go to the police, and I'm gonna get some fabric also for a cushion that's all torn up here, as well as this cushion down here that's all torn up, covered up with a pillowcase. And yeah, little things and good things and big things are gonna be done on good old Galapa. You know, I've been cleaning them up. I want to clean up the whole bathroom situation, or head, and you know, stuff that I've been kind of neglecting because I've been having too much of a good time, and well, you know how it is. Okay, let's go. Just paid the $20 at the bank here, and now I'm gonna walk up to the police station. It's just a 5-minute walk away. Check this out. I love this building here. It's new. this place is a museum. I'm gonna check it out. On my way to the police station, I might as well check out this museum. It's all new. It's cool, man. Interesting. All Cape Verdean art. CNAD is for Crafts, National Center for Arts, Crafts and Design. I come from the world of art and design. I went to art school, became a designer and art director, then had my own little creative ad agency. So I can appreciate everything here. The pure traditional art is presented in clear, sober design. This is really well done. Bravo. This was a prestigious Portuguese senator's private house, which he later donated. The story is on the wall there, but I had a personal explanation. This has been my guide. Nani que é o nome?
Carol.
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 Carol. So she's the one who showed me around here, explained to me this amazing musical concept, and told me the story of this place. It's fantastic.
Yes.
All these colors there are musical notes. That's actually a musical symphony.
It was such a pleasure to guide you.
Vou falar English. She speaks good English. She's too shy.
A little bit.
You shouldn't be shy. Don't be shy. It's good to speak English.
I know.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes, people. We're not going to judge you bad. Fazer quando me falar crioulo. Então,
Mas você fala crioulo.
Marshall. Anyways, you must come here. This is beautiful. Wonderful spot. Thank you. Carol.
Carol.
Carol. That's this police station right there. Can't film in there. You know how it is with the police. But just got to give them my $20 receipt, and I'll come back and pick up my stamped passport a little later, a couple days or so. Oh, I just went and paid. Now, the lady said that their boss wants to talk to me next week. There was some notes written in red ink on my document application, so I wonder why. Because maybe I've overstayed my welcome, but I think I can talk myself out of this without any problem. It'll be interesting. Actually, it'll add a little spice to my adventure here. A little talk with the police. They're usually really cool, so I'm not too worried. Now let's go in here to find some fabric for my cushions. This is the kind of stuff I'm looking for. Some vinyl kind of stuff here. We got different colors. I wonder if I should get like a darker color. Okay, so I got the stuff I need here. And mostly a fabric store. Cool. Reminds me of my days when I was a kid in Switzerland. My grandmother was a courtière. She used to make curtains and drapes. So did my mom. That was part of the family business. So there's always tons of fabrics and stuff like that. Oh,
Hey,
Hey.
I wasn't paying any attention.
Okay, me and Peter are gonna help a couple here, a couple of Brits, grab a mooring from Cheetah. He's been contacting me for a while because he wanted to come here at a mooring. So, you see him just coming in now, and we're gonna go out there with our dinghies, hand him these lines, and send him straight. So we're gonna be grabbing this buoy right there. Peter's over there fetching the stern line from that boat. You see, JJ and his girlfriend Sarah contacted me a few months ago. Winded Voyage fans, oh yeah. They wanted to come here and moor their boat at a buoy, like me and Peter. So I hooked them up with Cheetah, who manages some of the moorings here. Cheetah is recovering from surgery. He was operated a little more than a year ago. Cancer in the urinary areas. Not quite sure. Anyways, he's doing much better now, but going slow. He needs to get some blood work and checkup done, and he'd prefer to do it at the private clinic, so the income from the moorings are important to him. Then I came aboard to meet JJ, but more about meeting new friends next week. Hey, this is Alberto, man.
Hey, Alex! How are you?
Alberto said he's been following me on YouTube and said
Yes.
he came by my boat a few days ago, and he said, "Do you really live on your boat?"
Yes.
He didn't believe it. I'm like, "Of course I live on my boat."
Crazy, hey, it's true. This guy, he really lives in his fucking boat. And he's a sailor and a YouTuber, but
Yeah.
he's free. He really lives in a sailboat. This surprised me, really.
And Alberto's delivering a catamaran across the Atlantic, across the ocean.
Yeah.
But he wants to have a good time here before he goes.
Of course.
So we're trying to organize
Yes.
some with our friends. Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Gadapan. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galapan's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.